Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aries placements. So, yes, June, general reading and the person on your mind. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Wag po sa comment section. Okay? Oo, baka mamaya mag-reply sa inyo yung mga nanggagaya ng page natin. Ha? And, yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating mga items, yeah, just message me. So, available ang ating protection from evil eye, mga binabato sa ating evil eye, no? Ayun ang sasanggahin, oo. And syempre, yung ating love bracelet. First singles and may mga conflicts sa kanilang mga kapareha. So, ipoprovide nito kung anong kailangan sa situation ninyo in love. And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is made to order and this is unisex. So, siya yung nagbibigay or nag-grant nung minamanifest mo. Okay? And nagbibigay rin siya ng surprises aside sa minamanifest mo. Oo. Okay? And yes, yung ating cord cutting. So, si cord cut, ginagawa natin is pag-aalis ng mga hindi na kailangang energy na nakakapit pa sa'yo. Okay, so napaka-importante ng cord cutting sa totoo lang. So, kakaunti lang kasing may alam ng cord cut. Para saan ba yun? Kung interesado kayo, yeah, message na lang po, no? So, let's start the reading. Aries placements. Okay, this is for Aries placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, what's for you in general? Anong meron in general ngayong June? Ngayong June for Aries. Okay. In general, let's see. Queen of Cups. Six of Cups. May narinig ako, togetherness. Okay, so some of you may chance na parang sabihin nating may bago na parang pagtutuon ng pansin. Okay? Some of you, this is a person. Yeah, this is a person. Okay? Pwedeng merong yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron hobby. Okay? Hobby na parang hindi na masyadong ang ginagawa. Oo. Sabihin natin hindi na nabibigyang oras. May chance na ngayong June. Pwedeng mababalikan mo ulit. Okay? Craft. Meron ako narinig craft. So, what else? Empress. Okay. So, some of you, this is talking about pregnancy. Yeah. In general, this is, sabihin natin, some of you will focus more on yourself. Okay, on your progress, parang ganyan, beauty, parang ganyan. No, yeah, King of Wands. Makaka-attract. Some of you talaga is makaka-attract ng person. New person maybe. Some of you, there's this too. Sabihin natin new and old. Yeah. I'm seeing you out there dating. Okay? I'm hearing passion. Passion. Some of you, good sex in the month of June. Yeah. Oo, good sex. Wow. Oo. So, yeah. Be careful if you're not ready na magkaroon ng mini you because, yeah, pregnancy is sabihin nating may chance. Okay. So, what else? Meron kayo talagang parang madidiscover or parang mahihiligan na gawin ngayong June. I don't know kung ano. That's general. So, what else? For Aries placements this June. The moon. Okay, what's with that moon? Temperance. Surprise visit from this specific person na matagal nang hindi mo nakita or pwedeng malayo, nakatira sa malayo. That's specific. Okay. Knight of Pentacles in the reverse. Some of you, okay, meron ako nakikita rito na sinasabing hindi mo daw kailangang madaliin. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang i-force. I don't know kung ano yun. Some of you, this is talking about your career, your job, kung ano man, hindi ko alam. So, siguro sa finance, okay? Hindi raw kailangan masyadong madaliin. Just trust the process. Parang may ganun ako nakukuha. Okay? Yan, the Queen of Wands. Some of you, may chance na parang ma-evaluate ka sa month of June. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Wands, the Page of Wands. You're being, sabihin nating minamatsyagan ka. No? Meron ditong sabihin nating parang tinitingnan kung paano ka gumawa. Parang ganyan, if ikaw ba ay pasok, no? Sa sabihin nating standards, para mabigyan ka ng promotion for some of you. Okay? So, somebody's watching you by the month of June. Yeah. Page of Wands. Some of you, finances mo, kailangan sabihin nating hindi mo dapat ipaalam sa lahat kung ano. Like yung kinikita mo everyday. I don't know why. I don't know why. Two of Cups, the Lovers. So, yes. I'm hearing, sabihin nating a connection, a romantic connection by the month of June pagdating sa inyo. Okay? So, there's this chance na pwedeng meron kang papasuking relasyon. Whether single ka, whether sabihin nating ayaw mo, parang ganyan, meron at merong darating. Okay? So, ikaw, kung meron kang kapareha na, may chance na pwedeng magkaroon ng sabihin nating leveling up pagdating sa status ninyo. Okay? If you're nasa energy ng, nasa phase kayo ng talking stage, so may chance na may ma-develop by the month of June. Okay? So, let's see. Aries, the person on your mind. Okay, so ano bang meron? So, who is this, Aries? The person on your mind. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. So, Aries, the person on your mind. Who is this? Anong energy niya? Anong energy? The High Priestess. Mysterious. May pagka-mysterious o yung person. Some of them may sabihin natin unique. Okay, unique. Oo. Some of them, sabihin natin, alam mo na meron silang kakayanan like third eye, mga ganun. That's specific, not for all. Okay? They know how to read tarot, mga ganyan. Empath, mga ganun. Oo. So, what's with this High Priestess? Andun yung energy na para silang wallflower. Okay, something is hidden. Parang ganyan. Anyway, the High Priestess. The Two of Pentacles. Hindi mo mabasa itong taong to. Anong meron? Some of them, they're acting indecisive or aloof. Acting cold and distant. Hindi mo mabasa kung ano bang meron sa kanya. Okay? They're juggler, some of them. You find this person a juggler. Kasi hindi mo makikita kung ano bang talagang meron. What's their intention? They're too, they're too silent. Or sabihin natin, they're too mysterious. Okay? So, nahihirapan kang bumalanse sa kanya. Some of you, nahihirapan kang intindihin siya. Okay? So, mga specific yun. May chance na hindi mag-resonate lahat. So, kinuha ko lang everything kung anong makikita ko dito sa kanya. Okay? So, let's see. What's the situation right now? Anong situation? Anong situation nyo ngayon itong taong to? So, this is for the month of June. Okay? Ano bang magiging takbuhan ninyo nitong taong to? Naguguluhan ka sa kanya. So, in general, naguguluhan ka. Oo. Anong situation niya? Oo. The Two of Swords. Oh. Gulong-gulo. Complicated pa. Complicated. Oo. Yung akin nakikita rito. Why? Why the Two of Swords is here? Some of you, this is option. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng tingin mo sa taong to is ginagawa kang option, or yeah, you feeling like an option. Anyway, yeah, the Knight of Cups in reverse. Hindi mo siya palaging makutap-tapan, no? Ano po yun? Hindi mo pala, sabihin natin hot and cold. Okay, hot and cold. Itong taong to is hindi makapag-focus sa'yo like 100%. Okay? So, hindi mo rin makitaan ng pagpupursue itong taong to, or sabihin natin hindi mo lang talaga maramdaman. Hindi mo siya maramdaman. Yeah, the King of Wands in reverse. Oh no. So, si King of Wands in reverse, this is somebody who has dark side. Dark side. Si King of Wands. Okay? Yeah, they're busy. Actually, some of them, they have options. Yeah. The Knight of Cups. The Eight of Cups. Some of them, meron silang hindi mabitawan from their past. No? Parang may ganon. That's specific. Some of them, may issue pa sila sa past, or may issue sila sa part nila na pwedeng nakakapagbigay hadlang sa situation nyo sa ngayon. Yeah. So, para siyang nahahati. Okay? Para siyang nahahati pagdating dyan. So, kung hindi man nahahati, parang minsan talaga wala siya sa'yo. Okay? So, let's see. Oops. Judgment in reverse. Okay, some of you, this could be a Scorpio. It could be a Scorpio. So, what is your emotion? Check natin emotion niya sa'yo. The Fool in reversed. Ayaw ng taong tong gagawa siya ng hakbang basta-basta. Andoon yung plano, andoon yung pagpaplano, andoon yung paninigurado. Okay? Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Hindi to gagawa basta ng isang hakbang patungo sa'yo or sa kung anumang situation na hindi siya sigurado. Okay? So, kaya ganyan siya, the Sun in reverse, nakakapagbigay siya ng confusion. Some of them, sa totoo lang, they're confused pagdating sa emosyon niya sa'yo. Ganon naman talaga eh. Di po ba? Ganon talaga. The Emperor is here in reverse. So, may chance na parang nagiging immature siya emotionally, or immature sa kung ano mang sabihin natin kailangan niyang gawin sa situation. Kung kailangan nitong pumili, hindi ko nakikitang napili siya. Yeah, kasi kanina wala naman akong nahihitaan ng blockages, or sabihin natin totally nilalayuan ka. Sabihin natin nawawala. Pero, ilang araw ang daraan, babalik ulit siya. Okay? Or sabihin natin mga ilang oras, hindi siya mag-chat. Hindi siya mag-reach out. And then, maya-maya, andyan na. parang walang nangyari. Okay, so naguguluhan tong tao to, they don't know how to manage their feelings. Okay, meron tong kailangang i-manage sabihin natin sa part niya. Kasi may nakikita ako sa part niya na parang yun yung parang hadlang para maging 100% into you itong taong to. So what is your next action? Anong mangyayari? Anong ganap? Anong plano niya? Okay, ngayong June for you, meron na ba? Let's see. Tingnan natin. Ano bang plano niya ngayong June? Pagdating sa inyo, Aries. The Four of Pentacles in reverse. And Justice. Three of Wands. So, may sabihin nating merong sabihin parang merong ibibigay in general. Okay? May ibibigay itong taong to like confirmation or answer para maibigay yung balanse or maibigay yung sabihin nating hinahanap mo dito sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay? Some of you, if there's this legal issue, pwedeng sabihin nating ipoprovide niya yun. Bibigay niya yun. If decision ang kailangan, sagot niya kailangan, bibigay niya yun. Ang tanong naman natin kanina is ano yung plano niya ngayong June. Plano. Okay? Plano niya yun. So, maging patas. Yun yung nakikita ko. Okay? So, how do this person sees you? How do they see you, Aries? How do this person sees you? Temperance. Na kaya mong maghintay. Na pasensyoso o pasensyosa ka. Yeah. Na kaya mo talagang intindihin itong situation na meron kayo. Kaya mo ba talaga? We. Yun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Yeah, the Hierophant. Because you want this, I think. Yeah. You want this connection. Yap. Yun ang tingin niya. So, anong advice for you this month of June? Advice for Aries placements this month of June. Page of Swords. Huwag mong ang tawag dyan, huwag mong hayaan yung sarili mo na parang wala kang alam sa nangyayari. Kung kaya mo na aralin yung situation, kung kaya mong tingnan yung dapat tingnan dito sa sitwasyon, tingnan mo. Hindi mo kailangang intindihin lang ng intindihin kung ano man ang iniintindi mo sa sitwasyon nyo. Okay? So, hindi mo rin kailangan na silent dito. Kung may kailangan kang sabihin, kung meron kang mga naoobserbahan, say it. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Sabihin mo kung ano yung mga parang nagiging palpak. Maging observant ka. Yeah, yun ang advice sa'yo. Maging observant. Like, kunyari, itong taong to is nagsabi sa'yo na gantong oras, oo, tatawagan kita or what, or gantong date, pupuntahan kita or whatsoever. Basta pag may nangyaring usapan, at ang nangyari is hindi nangyari tuloy, hindi natuloy, itanong mo bakit. Okay, akala ko ba ganito? Akala ko ba usapan natin is ganyan, ganito, ganito. Okay? You don't need explanation from them. Ang pinupunto ko dito is para alam niya na nakikita mong may mali. Okay? Para alam niya na nakikita mong may mali. You don't need explanation. kailangan mo lang sabihin na merong hindi balanse. Okay? So, yun. Kasi, kailangan nitong taong to, merong i-manage. Hindi mo nga kailangan ng sagot. Ang kailangan lang dito is malaman niyang nakikita mo. Okay, nakikita mo. Hindi mo binabaliwala. And, ang mangyayari dyan, kung paulit-ulit na lang na ganun, there's something wrong. Oo, diba? Yun ang paborito nating linya. There's something wrong. Oo. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, and follow yung ating second YouTube channel. So, Aries. Grounded, guarded. You have to guard yourself, maybe, from this Aries. Or sila yung guarded. Taurus, they want communication. Gemini, they want your attention. Cancer, okay, they're like, sabihin natin, nakaka-move on na. Okay? Leo, they're jealous. Self-centered. Virgo, they want to give you something. Yeah. Maybe communication. Some of you, may nakikita ko dito, pwede may mag-unblock na Virgo. Libra, they have option. Scorpio, ang nakita ko kay Scorpio is parang energy ng being mature, managing, something like that. Okay? They know how to manage, parang ganyan. So, Sagittarius, unstable. Some of them, they have issue or hindi nila kaya mag-commit. Capricorn, they're indecisive. Aquarius, they like you, passionate pagdating sa'yo. Nakukuha ni Aqua or nakukuha mo yung attention niya or vice versa or parang flip yung energy. Pisces, so may chance na parang they're not really into connecting muna sa romantic connection. Parang ayaw muna ng love or ayaw muna ng relationship nito ni Pisces. Okay, they're blocking you. They're avoiding you. I'm sorry. So, yeah, maybe they're trying to heal, some of them, kung ex mo to. Or maybe ikaw yung may kailangan nun. So there, yun ang ating reading for you. Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Thank you. Goodbye.